A 1 trillion tonne iceberg has broken away from the Antarctic peninsula, one of the biggest on record. It has scientists closely watching what will happen next to the ice shelf left behind, while ships may have to dodge the massive iceberg for decades.
This is one of the biggest icebergs on record, breaking away from the Antarctic peninsula. Iceberg carving is a normal part of the growth and retreat of ice shelves, but this event has scientists taking special notice.
And there's indirect evidence from the ocean floor that it's probably the furthest back that this ice shelf, Larsen C, has retreated in the last 10,000 years or so.
The iceberg was part of the Larsen C ice shelf jutting out of the continent near South America. Larsen C was the fourth largest ice shelf before the iceberg broke away. Now it's dropped back to fifth.
Temperatures there have risen faster than anywhere else in Antarctica.
The iceberg will likely be named A68. It's nearly 350 metres thick, and at 5,800 kilometres square, it's roughly the size of Bali, twice as big as the ACT, and 4 times the size of London. Its sheer size could mean it will linger around the continent for decades.
They tend even to get pinned on the ocean floor at times and pivot round sometimes for years, obstructing wildlife and shipping.
Further north on the Antarctic peninsula, the Larsen A and B ice shelves collapsed in 1995 and 2002. The iceberg from Larsen C won't directly affect sea levels because it was already floating, but the carving event could still have an impact. Ice shelves help hold back ice from the continent.
As ice shelves change and some of them disappear and decay, what happens is that the ice behind actually accelerates, it speeds up, and the contribution from the continent then to sea level goes up.
Scientists will continue to closely monitor the ice shelf through satellites to better predict future Antarctic changes.
The ice shelf may continue to regrow, but we also think it's possible it'll be in an unstable position and we'll get more icebergs being formed and it will continue to retreat.
Any developments are likely to take decades to unfold. Selena Ross, ABC News.